Downgrade or keep the spousal visa? A lot of you are asking this question. Not all marriages turns out well. There were happy marriage, while others sadly need to separate for whatever personal reasons. Today, we're going to share a proper understanding on a not-so-happy situation between a foreigner and a Filipina who had been married and then separated. So the expat shared that he received different advices from his situation. He has been separated with his Filipina wife. Some advised him to keep it as immigration wouldn't know. Some says cancel your spousal visa and be back to tourist visa. Expat, do remember that your petitioner in applying for the 13A spousal visa or other spousal visas is none other than your Filipino spouse. And the spousal visa is dependent on your marriage status. Should you agree to separate and part your ways, you are then required, as per the Bureau of Immigration Procedures, to downgrade and cancel your spousal visa. It is also important to note that there will be penalties if it takes you years to downgrade or cancel your 13A spousal visa, including the corresponding ACRI card. Do hope that it will open your mind to avoid the visa regulations, as what is at stake is your peaceful and legal stay in the Philippines. If you have downgraded your 13A spousal visa, you still have other visa options, like the retirement visa or SRRV or other Philippine visas that you can take a look at into. I hope that you will do this properly, as it is for your best interest. Should you need anything about 13A spousal visas, retirement visas or SRRV, other Philippine visas, and other Philippine immigration needs, do give us a ring, and we will do our best to help you. This is JRC, your Every Foreigner's Guide for visas and real estate here in the Philippines. See you on our next Visa Monday videos.